Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can turn on and off sensor and use it data on iPhone. So what you need to do is just go to the settings here. After going to the settings, you need to scroll down and go to the privacy and security option, which is here. Just tap on it. After going to the privacy and security option, you need to find the option uh, analytics and improvement, which is here. Okay, you will scroll down and tap on analytics and improvement, and after going to the analytics and improvement, you need to find the share iPhone analytics and turn it off if you want to turn off the sensor usage and the data on your iPhone. So I recommend you to turn off. As you can see, it's the top first option. You just need to turn it off, so it will stop the sensor usage data on your iPhone. So that's how you can do it. It's very easy, and that's how you can turn it off. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Bye bye.